How to make profile picture only me in Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once in there, simply tap on the profile picture of yours at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once in your profile, scroll down and as you can see that I have just uploaded my profile picture. Then tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your photo. Then tap on the edit privacy. Then choose only me to make the photo visible only to you. And that is it. Your current profile picture remains public and cannot be entirely hidden, but however you can limit interactions on this. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.